Yeah, hi. We are from SVSEMBEDDED. The project title name is Dynamic Accident Detection and Alerting System using Arduino, GSM, GPS and accelerometer sensor. So in this project we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source and it convert to 5 volts pure DC output and connected to the Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 3 to 8 controller AC board. So this controller board will continuously monitor the vehicle. If any accident detected, it will track the GPS location of exact vehicle location, latitude value, longitude value, receiving, and it is sending the SMS alert to the predefined mobile numbers using GSM SIM 800C module. So here 5 volts power supply module, GSM SIM 800C connected to the TX1, GPS module connected to the RX3, ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor connected to the X coordinate and Y coordinate A0, A1, 16 cross 2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 GPIO pin numbers. Engine connected to the 7th pin, alarm connected to the 6th pin, and this is our total block diagram of the project. And let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, okay, and connected to the here. So here we are using GSM SIM 800C module. So press it, it will come outside. The cut should be always outside. Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. So slowly insert the SIM card. I will send the video how to insert the SIM card. Press it, it will go inside. Press it, it will come outside. Press to in, press to out. Okay, GSM SIM 800C module and 5 volts power supply module, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, ADXL accelerometer sensor, ADXL 335 accelerometer sensor, left accident, right accident, back accident and front accident, 4 accident detections. And here Arduino Uno R3 80 mega 3 to 8 controller IC board, and here is the reset button, USB programming, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display, whatever the process is going on that should be displayed on the LCD. So we are already programmed the mobile numbers. So through this GSM module it will send the SMS alert to the outside mobile number. So GPS GY6MV2 GPS module, and this is GPS on off button, okay. So GPS antenna, alarm and the engine motor, okay. So now let's start with the power supply. Dynamic accident detection and alerting system using Arduino with GSM GPS means accelerometer sensor getting GPS data. Please wait, we need to wait for the GPS location. It will take the exact latitude longitude of the vehicle. Yeah, 00 came. Press reset button. So latitude longitude value came. GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem. So initialized successfully. So like X coordinate, Y coordinate of the accelerometer sensor. Now the vehicle is the normal position. Engine should be on, okay, engine should be on. So continuously going on. If any accident detected, first we will go for the left accident. Yeah, left accident detected. If it is a minor accident, you can press reset button, nothing should be happen, it will start from the main function, okay. So if it is a major accident, press reset switch. It is a major accident, left accident detected. It will send two mobile number, one for me, other one is the student number, one as a call alert and SMS alert. Sending SMS, one message sent. Left accident, yeah, left accident detected. Google map location, open location, visit web page. It is showing on the SVS embedded, okay, on the Google map location. And call alert, okay. So calling mobile number. So this SIM card is calling to outside mobile. This SIM card is calling to outside mobile, okay. So now it is a normal vehicle, is the normal. Now if it is a right accident, right side bending, right accident detected, okay. right accident detected. It will wait for 5 seconds. If you are not pressing reset button, it is a major accident, sending SMS alert. GSM module, 5 volts power supply module, ADXL 335 accelerometer, Arduino Uno R3 board, 16x2 LCD display. Yeah, right accident detected. Latitude band, longitude band, please rescue. And GPS module, GPS antenna, alarm, engine, call alert, calling the mobile number. Okay, so now I am going for the back accident. Back accident detected. Now I am going to press reset button. Now it is a minor accident. So dynamic accident detection and alerting system. There is no call alert and there is no SMS alert. The program is restarted. Okay, latitude band, longitude band, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. X coordinate, Y coordinate. Now it is a back accident. Yeah, back accident detected. Okay, now it is sending the SMS alert as well as call alert. Okay, now the SMS will come here. Message came. Back accident detected. Vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. Visit anyway. Call alert came. Okay, latitude point. Okay, X coordinate, Y coordinate. Engine is on. Now we are going for the front accident. Yeah, front accident detected. Okay. Front accident detected. Vehicle location place, latitude point, longitude point. Sending SMS alert. Sending SMS. Front accident. Sending SMS to student mobile number. Message came. Front accident detection. Yeah, front accident detected. Location place, latitude point, longitude point. Call alert. So this is our block diagram. This is our hardware kit. Thank you. Front accident, back accident, right accident, left accident.